As with most crafts, they say that preparation is all, and that is very true of gold tooling on leather. 1 sheet of leaf grade gelatin into a cup with some boiling water in it, and then the cup just sits in a jacket of hot water. 2 teaspoons of powder or crystals and 8 teaspoons of water. It wants to just sizzle for a second or two, and that's about the right temperature. And where the tool has touched the gold has coagulated or cooked, and it's bonded to the leather. So now it's time to do the spine. And of course, hope and pray it's all stuck. One traditionally gold-tooled leather binding.
The first operation in the binding process is to make up the boards. We have a variety of thicknesses of millboard which we use. The smaller the book, the thinner the boards, the bigger the book, the thicker the boards. They then get pressed for an absolute minimum of 24 hours, preferably longer. And then we leave that to set, preferably overnight, and then we'll prep it for covering. It needs to be very, very smooth. One last check.
It's very, very important to keep the spines on books like these. This is the best of craftsmanship. Often the surface of leather is dry, dusty, it maybe have a little bit of rot in it, so we're going to put a size onto all the leather that we're going to work on. Here's some examples of some of the leathers that we've dyed. It's very important when you dye leather that you don't just make it one solid flat colour, because antiquarian books are not one solid flat colour. So now I'm going to put the leather on these books. One of the great joys of coming into work the next morning is unwrapping the books that you've done the night before. It's smooth, no lumps, no bumps. That's come out very well actually. That's a very nice repair.
So we have two different types. We have goat skin and calf skin. We also can have transparent vellum. The thing to remember is that it's very much affected by humidity and you need a good, strong, stable board. Just pushing in hard with your thumb. You can see now that's a nice stable piece of vellum. It's also a good trick to just put a little bit on the spine just to help it slide around a bit. As you can see, the book opens very nicely too. So now we've finished the vellum over boards binding, we can move on to the limp vellum style. We now have nice extra long thongs here ready to be laced on. So there we have it, the vellum over boards binding and the limp vellum binding.